How's it going, everyone? This is the brand new tech woven case, and this one is for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it is the blue, I believe it is. Yeah, the tech woven case blue right there. Let's go ahead and pop this on open, and we can see what this is all about here. This is a brand new material. I'm interested to see how it feels. And okay, I like it. It's got some texture to it, which is nice. It's definitely different from the fine woven cases. I like the texture, actually. I like it much better than the fine woven type cases. It feels stronger as well, which is nice. Let's go ahead and put the packaging aside and let's try it on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I've got an orange one here and I do have a silver one. We'll test it on both. So as far as putting it in, I believe you just push it from the top, push it down. There we go. And that is what it looks like. Okay, I do like it. Like, the material is very nice. It actually feels really nice. There's for your buttons, and this one, it is a covered button for that touch one, but it does work right through, which is nice. And there is the top of it, your bottom right there. And let's go ahead and try the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver. There's our silver one with the white kind of backing right there. And we'll go ahead and just put it in just like that. And that's what it looks like with the silver for the tech woven case. Yeah, very nice material. Quite impressed with this. I actually think I'm going to keep it. I planned on buying this and possibly returning it if I didn't like it. But actually, I think I like it. And I think I'm going to rock it with my iPhone 17 Pro Max. What do you guys think?